Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign out from your Peacock TV account on your mobile device. Go ahead and open up the Peacock TV app on your phone. After you open the Peacock TV, let it load for a while, and then the interface will appear. There, you can go to the Profile section at the bottom right-hand corner. Go to your account settings, then press on Settings, and then press on Sign Out, which is down below. After you press on Sign Out, press OK, wait for a while, and you will shortly be signed out from your Peacock TV account. This is how you sign out from your Peacock TV account. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any sorts of confusions, please do mention this in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and keep loving the tech.